Welcome to part 129 of Daily English. Today's topic: Small talk, hobbies. What are your hobbies? Example: What are your hobbies in your free time? I enjoy reading books. Example: I enjoy reading books, especially novels. I like playing sports. Example: I like playing sports like football and badminton. I love listening to music. Example: I love listening to music when I relax. In my free time, I watch movies. Example: In my free time, I watch movies at home. I enjoy cooking. Example: I enjoy cooking for my family. I like traveling. Example: I like traveling to new places. What do you like to do on weekends? Example: What do you like to do on weekends with your friends? That sounds interesting. Example: That sounds interesting. Tell me more. Mini conversation. A. What are your hobbies? B. I enjoy reading books and listening to music. A. That sounds interesting. What kind of music do you like? B. I like pop music. What about you? A. I like playing sports and watching movies. Daily tip: Talking about hobbies is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation. Keep your answers simple, and ask follow-up questions like "What about you?" or "Why do you like it?" to make the conversation more natural and engaging. Speaking challenge: Talk about your hobbies. Say what you like to do, when you do it, who you do it with, and why you enjoy it. Then ask at least 3 questions about another person's hobbies and try to continue the conversation for 2 minutes. Subscribe for more daily English lessons. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.